Well, hello, buddy. Let's make a couple corn dogs with these cedar twigs. An open fire with some oil in the Dutch oven with some Kogel Frankfurters dipped in corn muffin mix. First, let's get the fire going. Perfect. Then we'll take our cedar twigs and make a couple lollipops. Before we dip them in our corn muffin mix. Then place it in the oil until golden brown. I like mine with mustard. And of course, a cold pop. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day, everyone. And please, enjoy yourself.